Let's jump into it. Fuck intros. This is how you change your SSD on your Surface Laptop 3. First, you'll need to remove the screw covers. I had already done this, so I'm making it look kind of easy. Next, you'll need a T8 or a T10 screwdriver. Be careful not to lose these screws. They are smaller than my ex's heart. Once you've unscrewed all 4 screws, you'll next take one finger and place it between the glass and the magnetic keyboard and lift it up. Be very careful not to unplug this cable because it's really annoying to plug it back in. And there it is. Jackpot, baby! Now go ahead and take your screwdriver, unscrew the SSD, and replace it with your new M.2 SSD. I had a 512 gigabytes lying around, but I didn't record it, so whatever. To put it back, just follow this video in reverse. Thanks, bye.